Today, we've got something super exciting lined up for you. We're diving into the latest leaks surrounding Samsung's upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6. That's right, folks. Thanks to an Australian retailer, we got an early look at these stunning devices in all their fancy colors. So let's get into it. With Samsung's next Galaxy Unpacked event just around the corner, leaks have kicked into high gear. Just this week, we got official renders of Samsung's upcoming smartwatches and wireless earbuds. And now, an Australian retailer has posted renders of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 in every color. First up, let's talk about the Galaxy Z Flip 6. While these renders don't reveal any new technical information, they do give us a clear look at the vibrant color options available. The standout here is the yellow Galaxy Z Flip 6. It's bright, bold, and sure to turn heads. The other colors are equally stunning, featuring sleek black bezels around the cover screen and a new colored ring around the camera lenses to match the phone's color. Moving on to the Galaxy Z Fold 6, this model sports a sharper, more angular design that gives it a professional look reminiscent of the Galaxy S24 Ultra. One major upgrade here is the titanium frame, adding both durability and a premium feel to the device. Both new foldable smartphones feature external displays. For the Flip model, the screen remains unchanged from the previous version. What's new is the colorful casing, including a vibrant yellow version of the Z Flip 6 and a pink version of the Z Fold 6. Under the hood, these devices are state-of-the-art. They're powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, paired with 12 GB of RAM. Storage options include 256 GB and 512 GB for both models, with the Fold 6 offering an additional 1 TB option. The Galaxy Z Flip 6 boasts two cameras, with a main camera now featuring a 50-megapixel sensor. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 also has a 50-megapixel main camera, along with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera and a 10-megapixel zoom camera. A notable improvement in the Galaxy Z Flip 6 is the battery, which has grown to 4,000 mAh. This increase should ensure a longer battery life, keeping you connected and productive throughout the day. Now let's talk about pricing. Samsung's new top-of-the-line foldable smartphones aren't going to be cheap. The Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to start at €18.99, while the Galaxy Z Flip 6 should cost at least €10.99. All official details will be revealed at the launch event in Paris on July 10, 2024 at 3 p.m. But that's not all. Alongside the foldable smartphones, Samsung is also expected to unveil several other exciting products. We're looking forward to the Galaxy Ring, the Galaxy Watch 7 series, the Galaxy Watch Ultra, and the Galaxy Buds 3 Pro. So make sure to stay tuned for our coverage of these reveals as well. These new foldables are set to go on sale next month, following their official unveiling in Paris on July 10th. If you're eager to get your hands on one, you can already reserve yours and even get a $50 credit in the process. That's all for today's video, folks. Are you as excited about the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Galaxy Z Flip 6 as we are? Which color is your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Today, we've got some exciting news about Samsung's upcoming foldable smartphones. If you're a tech enthusiast, you're definitely going to want to stick around for this one. We're talking about the highly anticipated Galaxy Z Fold 6 series, and more specifically, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra, which is rumored to be coming to China and Korea. Let's dive right in. Among the many Galaxy Z Fold 6 models that are currently in development in Samsung's labs, the one that has everyone buzzing is the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Now, if you're familiar with Samsung's Ultra-branded smartphones, you know they are designed to be the best of the best, offering high-end features and cutting-edge technology. While the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 is expected to bring some minor incremental upgrades, all eyes are undoubtedly on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. However, here's the catch. The Ultra isn't expected to get a global release. But don't worry, it seems this powerhouse of a device won't be restricted to just Samsung's home country, South Korea. According to the folks over at Android Headlines, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra could also be launching in China. This is particularly interesting because it seems the rumored Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim, which we've been hearing about with its slimmer body, bigger displays, and larger battery, might actually be the Chinese variant of the Fold 6 Ultra. If this is true, it would clear up some of the confusion we've seen in recent weeks about how many models Samsung is actually working on. It might just be two: the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. The Ultra, limited to Korea and China for now, would allow Samsung to gauge interest levels before potentially bringing it to a wider audience. In China, the Z Fold 6 Ultra may be sold as the Samsung Galaxy 25, complete with unique visual touches like decorative engravings on the hinge similar to previous Samsung Galaxy smartphones. And here's another interesting tidbit. China might also get the Galaxy Z Flip 6 as the W25 Flip. This is speculative at this point, but it aligns with rumors that Samsung is also working on a Galaxy Z Flip 6 Slim. Now, unfortunately, there isn't a lot of detailed information about what exactly the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra will offer compared to the Z Fold 6. This is probably because the Ultra model isn't launching alongside the standard model, but we can expect more details to emerge once the standard Galaxy Z Fold 6 goes official at Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked event next month. Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked events are always full of surprises, and we can't wait to see what they have in store for us this time. Will the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra live up to the hype? Will it bring groundbreaking features that set it apart from the standard model? Only time will tell. To be an upgrade. While rumors suggest a larger display and a slimmer design, the lack of S Pen support might be a deal breaker for some users. Ross Yan also mentioned that production for the Z Fold 6 Ultra's display panels might begin later this year, with a launch expected in January alongside the Galaxy S25. This staggered release makes sense. It avoids competing with the July launch of the regular Fold 6 and keeps the Ultra exclusive to South Korea for now, which might frustrate international buyers. Speaking of launches, rumors suggest the next Galaxy Unpacked event might be happening on July 10th in Paris, France. However, Tipster eLeaks' list of expected reveals didn't include the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Does this mean no Fold 6 Ultra this year? Probably not. eLeaks' list might only include devices launched. A leaked photo a few days ago looks a bit cheap and out of place on a flagship smartphone, expected to cost over $1,500. The device in the picture also appears to be wider than the current Galaxy Z Fold models, suggesting that Samsung is increasing the display size. However, the screens won't be significantly bigger. Samsung is reportedly saving the major display size upgrade for the Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra and Galaxy Z Fold 6 Slim models, which are rumored to launch alongside the standard Z Fold 6 this year. Now, let's move to the front. The first hands-on image of the Galaxy Z Fold 6 is leaked and reveals that Samsung has finally listened to Galaxy Z Fold users. The new foldable phone will feature a wider cover screen compared to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Reliable tipster Ice Universe shared this full image showing the front of the device and comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. As you can see, the upcoming foldable phone will have a wider cover screen that matches the width of the Galaxy Z Fold 5's cover screen plus one of its bezels. This wider cover screen should improve the typing experience on the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and resolve aspect ratio issues in some apps and games. The new foldable also appears to have much sharper corners for both the body and the cover screen. A tipster shared a photo that seems to show a new camera module for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Although the leak only indicates that the camera module will feature a new design, it's doubtful Samsung would implement a design change without also upgrading the camera hardware. Here we have the first look at the new Galaxy Z Fold 6 outer display. A Twitter user named Ali recently shared a render comparing it to the Galaxy Z Fold 5. According to Ali, the new outer display features a boxier design and a slimmer hinge, significantly enhancing a Fold 6 overall appearance. The most noticeable difference between the Fold 5 and Fold 6 is the wider cover display. The render clearly shows. What do you think about these changes? Are you excited about the wider cover screen and new design? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the latest tech news. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.